How to use survival tokens in Last War Survival. Now you're able to use this to enhance your survivals. So you're able to use this if you want to enhance your survivor's abilities. So survival tokens or survivor tokens will be used in this building over here in your talent hall. So if you've already built it, then that's the first step in how to use these tokens. So over here, just go ahead and choose the survivor you want to use, and take note that you're only able to upgrade the epic or legendary survivors, so the purple and orange ones. So I don't really have any of those, so I can't really show you an example, but other than these white and blue ones, you can only upgrade these guys, the orange guys. So for an example, something like this. So if you have enough tokens and enough specific fragments for that specific survivor, then you are able to enhance that survivor to make them stronger whenever you deploy them, or in whichever way you want to use them. So yeah, that's how you use the survival tokens or survivor tokens in Last War Survival. So hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.